Welcome, curious viewers. Today, we'll tackle a question that's buzzing around. Can you get IPTV on your Firestick? Let's dive into one of the hottest features that tech enthusiasts love about Firestick. Yes, IPTV can be yours today. To unleash this secret, you will need a simple step-by-step guide. Don't worry, we're here to help you transform your viewing. First, let's navigate to your Firestick settings. It's as easy as navigating through a familiar menu. Now, activate the Downloader app. This app is a crucial gateway to unlocking IPTV's potential on Firestick. Next, enter the link for IPTV download. This helps you access a world of premium, customizable channels. Explore the world of endless entertainment by logging into your IPTV service, amplifying your viewing choices. Here's the exciting part. Check out 2tv.store, the best IPTV provider, offering a plethora of exclusive channels. Choosing the right IPTV provider enhances your experience, especially when offering seamless HD and exclusive content. Your Firestick will morph into entertainment heaven, teeming with endless shows, movies, and sports at your fingertips. There it is, folks. Revolutionize your TV experience with IPTV on Firestick. Happy streaming and discover more with us.